Today's video is all about how you can monetize your videos in 2020. This video is actually going to be very short because YouTube has changed their application process for monetizing videos. So let me just show you what I mean here. This is a new channel that I created about a month ago. And on the left hand side, I am on monetization. So the criteria for applying for YouTube partnership is still the same. You still need to have 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. However, applying for monetization can only be done once you have fulfilled this criteria here. So you can see on my new channel, I have 317 subscribers. So that's displayed here. I have 74 public watch hours, which is displayed here. And it says, we'll send you an email when you're eligible to apply. So you can see that YouTube will contact me. I don't do anything. I just have to wait, sit back, content create, and wait for YouTube to contact me once I have fulfilled the criteria of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. So let me show you how I got to this part of my channel. This is the home page of my new channel. If I go to YouTube Studio, on the right hand side is where my channel analytics is displayed. So I can see how many subscribers I have, also views and watch time. And once my videos are monetized, I will also be able to see how much money I'm making within a 28-day cycle. On the left hand side, if I scroll down here all the way to the bottom, I want to click on monetization. And you can see this is how I got to this part here. And normally I would be able to apply for monetization, but now I can't. So if I click on learn more, I want to point out two things very quickly. So it says here YouTube Partner Program Overview and Eligibility. Here's what's new. If you want to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you can only start the application process when you reach our threshold of 1,000 subscribers, so we know that already, and 4,000 valid public watch hours over the last 12 months. You can ask to be notified once you reach the threshold. So what the second point is saying is that when your channel is new and you go to YouTube Studio, so the same process again. I'm just going to scroll down again to monetization. So there will be a button here that says notify me when I am eligible. And if you click this button, then you will get this message. We'll send you an email when you're eligible to apply. And that's pretty much it. The final thing that I want to mention is that you can see here it says we previously showed watch hours on your public, unlisted and private videos towards your YouTube Partner Program eligibility. This was an error and we only count public watch hours towards YouTube Partner Program. So basically what they're saying is that if you have any unlisted videos or private videos, they will not count towards your 4,000 hours of public watch time. So you need to make sure that if you want your videos to count towards your watch time hours, that they need to be public, not private and not unlisted. So just be mindful of that. If you also want more information about this subject, then do watch this video here on this page. You can also click on YouTube Monetization Policies, and here you can read through the YouTube monetization policies, so the terms and conditions, and also the guidelines and the Google AdSense program policies, which are really important. Another thing that you need to familiarize yourself with is the advertiser-friendly content guidelines. Because you don't want to be creating content and, work your butt off really and gain 1,000 subscribers and also your 4,000 hours of watch time and then find out that your videos were not advertiser friendly. So again, I do encourage you to read through the advertiser friendly content guidelines so that you're in line with what YouTube requires. And then I wish you all the best, of course, for monetizing your videos in 2020 and beyond. Thank you for watching this video.